In this video, we are going to see PHP switch statement. Switch statement is a replacement of if-else statement. Multiple if-else statement is replaced by switch statement. The general format is switch, expression, or condition, then case, label. All the label has to be, all the multiple cases can be given. The label has to be with a colon. The next one is break. Each case statement must be ended with a break statement. Then default is the default keyword is also compulsory. If that doesn't matches with all the above cases, default case will be executed. So when you see the switch statement, you have to remember, you have to give the expression first, that is condition. Then case with a label. What you want to check as label. It can be a numeric value or it can be a string value. Then break you have to give for each case, and one default statement must be inside the switch statement. We can see the example. This is one example for switch statement. Our favorite color we are taking as red. If the red is if the color is equal to red means your favorite color is red. Likewise, it will tell. Okay, you are running the program. I have given as red, so it is giving. I will change the color as blue. Wait, to tell blue. Okay, multiple conditions can be given with the cases. Based on the case, it will give. Remember, you have to remember the 4 keywords. One is case with a label, then break, then default, then condition. That is expression. This is a switch statement. You have to remember all the things. This is the replacement of multiple if statement.